Danya Cebus. For over 50 years, this successful Israel-based international civil engineering and construction company has been involved in the planning, management, and implementation of hundreds of large-scale projects in the fields of construction and infrastructure. Danya Cebus is acclaimed for its uncompromising professionalism based on smart management, technological advancement, business initiatives, and one of the industry's most professional and dedicated customer service systems. Danya Cebus is a public company traded on the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange since 2000 and currently is one of the major companies in the Africa-Israel International Holding and Investments Group. Danya Cebus is a strategic, logistical, and operational asset to the group's activities in both Israel and worldwide. The activities of Danya Cebus in Israel currently focus on 10 major fields. The company builds thousands of residential units each year, including residential apartment high-rises, neighborhoods, and unique prestigious buildings for the industry's leading development companies. All construction is characterized by a high-quality level of finish. Danya Cebus manages and builds many public structures, including modern office buildings, retirement facilities, logistic buildings, shopping malls, museums, and commercial centers. A major segment of Danya Cebus's activities focuses on establishing national infrastructure. The company is proud of its part in the management and execution of national projects, such as Israel's toll road, Trans-Israel Highway, and Highway 431. It also builds bridges, railway lines, and inner-city roads. Gilon tunnels. Furthermore, Danya Cebus, in cooperation with a Chinese company, is constructing railway tunnels of overall length of about 11 kilometers in the section between Akko and Carmiel. Danya Cebus operates as a concessionaire that has financed and operated Highway 431 for the past 25 years using the PPP or Private-Public Partnership method. Danya Cebus runs this project through its subsidiary Netivei Hayovel, which was established for the purpose of building, strengthening, and operating the highway until it is handed over to the government in 2031. Cebus Ramon is a modern manufacturing plant that acts as the company's production arm, manufacturing elements for industrialized construction. At the forefront of Israel's industrialized construction, the plant supplies Danya Cebus with the advanced and innovative elements that are included in most of the large projects it executes. In addition to this logistical advantage, the manufacturing plant produces different elements for external customers. Danya Cebus is active in the field of prestigious construction through its subsidiary, Forma, which specializes in complex construction, prestigious apartments, office buildings, hotels, and preserved historic buildings. Danya Cebus is currently active outside the State of Israel, in Russia and Romania, through its subsidiaries Danya Rus and Danya Rome. The company has built and continues to build residential buildings, shopping malls, and office buildings. The company has successfully completed 2 mega projects, the Katrosen Mall in Bucharest and the Moscow City Mall in Moscow, while meeting its deadlines on time and providing an uncompromising level of quality. Danya Cebus is involved in residential projects in Israel through an Africa-Israel subsidiary. The subsidiary Africa-Israel Residences builds over 1,000 residential units each year and is responsible for the construction of Israel's leading prestigious residential neighborhoods, including Savyonei Ramat Aviv, Kiryat Savyonim, Nave Savyon, Savyonei Netzer Sereni, and others, which feature unique quality of life and environmental development. Danya 38. The subsidiary Danya 38 develops projects in the field of strengthening buildings against earthquakes, demolition, and construction of buildings while exploiting building rights in accordance with NOP 38. GeoDanya. The subsidiary GeoDanya executes foundation and geotechnical work, including slurry walls, jet grouting, piles, and soil anchors. The company was set up in cooperation with an international company specializing in this field. Danya Cebus's advantages are expressed in all aspects of modern construction culture. Most of the company's 1,000 employees are academics with vast experience and expertise in their fields and specialize in the fields of execution and service. The company provides its employees with the most innovative equipment suited to the technological specifications of the 21st century, which enables its operational teams to ensure operational quality and the timely meeting of deadlines. Using advanced management methods, the company runs dozens of different projects simultaneously each year, overseeing all aspects. The company's advanced computerized systems provide company headquarters with matrix-based management that runs the various operational administrations. Additionally, the company operates a budget control system which promotes optimal efficiency and the meeting of deadlines for each project. Over the years, Danya Cebus has benefited from financial security and growth of its equity. Danya Cebus boasts an unprecedented scope of activity, but at the same time is aware of the additional growth and development potential inherent in each and every one of its activities in Israel. Alongside this activity, Danya Cebus has set its goal to also work in all fields of the international civil engineering markets. The company's reputation and the growth vision to which it's committed itself have proven without a doubt that Danya Cebus has currently only just begun to realize its inherent potential.